What's up guys, welcome back. We have an NRG steering wheel here along with a quick release and a short hub adapter. You may be asking yourself, Jonathan, did you really need to buy a new steering wheel for your car? No, I did not, but I will show you why I bought one in a second. If you see here, my steering wheel on my Z is beat. This car is 16 years old now, and like as you can see, like my stitching up here is ripping and like this huge gash on my wheel. It's fading here, it's fading here, it's like tearing up here. The leather isn't that good, and I just wanted an upgrade, so that's why I went with the quick release, because I mean, I was like, if I'm gonna just do it anyways, I might as well just do something I want rather than just getting a new stock 350Z steering wheel. So that's why I did this. So for the remainder of this video, I'm also gonna be using a GoPro, just so you guys don't get just this one angle the entire time. So you can actually get a perspective of what I'm actually doing, but I'm still gonna keep this camera rolling the whole time. So I have a knife. I don't have anything else to take these little things off, so I'm gonna just use a knife to get this one off. Easy as that. Let's see, which bit do I need? Wait, let's see. It's too big. I actually did need that one. Please be this one. Still too big. Still too big. Cool. So this one. It is hot in here and I'm about to start sweating. So I watched a video. Shout out to Cameron Alford. I had this whole thing backwards, so basically what you're gonna do now, need the ground first. You're gonna go black wire to yellow wire on the back of the quick release. If I can do this, that'd be great. Black wire to yellow wire on the back of the quick release, and then the black wire goes to the ground on this. Oh, of course I'd bend it. Cool. And then there's the whole assembly. For this part at least. Actually I should have done something. I'm good. So. And then all of these wires are just gonna end up getting tucked inside of here, I'm assuming. Since you won't be needing those anymore, since I don't have what's that called? Airbag. Now that I have all that, yeah, so all your wiring gets tucked in your short hub, which makes it kind of convenient. And then from here, this is kind of tricky doing this, but there's that. And then you have the hardware. Now I'm actually going to put these in like a star pattern, just so, like any other bolt you would get. And then once you do this is actually, I'm already almost done. So there's one. There's two. I honestly should use the smaller one, but I don't really, it doesn't really matter. 4. Now I'm not like, oh, I drew blood on my freaking sharp ass thing. You know what? Hold on. I'll be right back. Look how sick that is. And then when you're ready, it's on. The camera's about to die, but I need to make this quick. I should go for a drive to see how it feels, but I think I'm good. So for right now, I'm gonna leave it. And also, that's it for this install. The next time I pick up, I will be working on the Rocket Bunny kit again for this car. So I'll see you guys then. Later.